What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another Turbo update. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so I'm going to actually start out with an Ethereum update today. And if you guys have been watching my content in the past at all, I've been showing you guys the extremely oversold stochastics. And I've been telling you guys this is why I'm still extremely bullish on the crypto market and altcoins. Because the reality of the situation is that Ethereum is the leading altcoin. And if you look through the history of Ethereum and you look at pretty much every single time the stochastics have been extremely oversold, we have had a very strong breakout. And oftentimes it is a massive explosion. Now, is that guaranteed to happen this time? No, it's not. But what's very interesting about this is I've been telling you guys usually it takes several weeks to actually play out. So don't be shocked if it does actually end up taking several weeks. But right now you can see that we're actually getting a very nice bounce. And Ethereum is back above 2,800. Just yesterday we were down to like 2,660. So to be clear, in the next upcoming months, I am very bullish on Ethereum. And if Ethereum does get the breakout, that's going to be very good for Turbo because Turbo is an ERC20. Now, if we quickly go over Bitcoin just on the daily time frame, you can see that not a whole lot has changed. I still believe Bitcoin is in this cup and handle. This is the cup and this is the handle. And as long as we don't lose this trend line, I will remain bullish. But I do want to point out that the stochastics are starting to push up and we still have not gotten back above key levels. In order for me to believe in the Bitcoin breakout, I need to see us first get back above the 21-day moving average. If we cannot get back above this level, then expect more downside. And it might not actually be a lot of downside. It might just be more consolidation. Either way, look for us to break above the 21-day moving average in order to confirm a breakout. Now, what's very bullish to see is that if you look at the Memecoin market, a lot of Memecoins are starting to bounce with ETH. And this is what I've been telling you guys for a long time. We have to see Ethereum break out in order for Memecoins to break out, at least for the ERC20s. And you can see right here that Pepe is already up almost 6% in the last 24 hours. And if we scroll down, you can see that Turbo's not flying, but it's up 2.4% in the last 24 hours. It's currently the 185th largest crypto. But if we look at Ethereum right now, you can see that Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin, which is awesome to see. This is crucial for altcoins. You can see Bitcoin's hardly moving and ETH is up almost 5%. But as most of you guys know, ETH also got hammered a lot harder than Bitcoin to begin with. So it's still way behind. If we actually click on Ethereum, you can see that it's still down significantly from its all-time high 3 years ago, 42.3%. And this is where you have to ask yourself the question, do you think that Ethereum, the second largest crypto, is ever going to break all-time highs again? For me personally, the answer is absolutely yes. And if you look at who is actually accumulating behind the scenes, it makes me even more bullish personally. There's a reason that BlackRock, Fidelity, Trump, all of these people and institutions are loading up. I believe that there is a big move coming for Ethereum. And again, the better that Ethereum does, the better that the whole ecosystem is going to do. And if you look at Turbo, again, it's getting a little bit of a bounce off of this support level. But that's the thing with Turbo is that it's retesting these previous August and September lows. And a lot of people are super worried about it, but it's retesting the same levels that a project like Pepe is retesting. And in my opinion, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just doing the exact same thing that all of the other projects are doing. And what does make me bullish on Turbo is to see that the volume is actually still very good as well. You can see that the volume is 37.6 million. Now, in the past, Turbo's volume has been significantly higher than that, but it's also not just a Turbo issue. If you look at meme coins in general, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you can see right now, Pepe's volume, for example, is 648 million. In fact, this is actually very good because just a couple days ago, Pepe was around 350 million. Yeah, if you look at the volume right now, it's up 79%. But my point is that even though Pepe's volume is great right now, there were times that Pepe had volume over 12 billion. And now it's up 79% and it's still under 1 billion. So the issue is not Turbo's volume. The issue is the entire meme coin market and the entire crypto market in general. Turbo's volume is still very good relative to its market cap, 37.6 million. And when you look at the Turbo X account, they still look great in my opinion. They're growing every single day. They're up to 109,000 followers. That is a massive community for a project that's still under a $300 million market cap. And they still post on here every single day and their community raids very hard. That's one of the key factors when I'm looking at a project. Does the community raid hard? Because at the end of the day, that's how you're going to create exposure for your project. But honestly, there's not much else for me to say about Turbo. I am still very bullish on this project. And the fact that it's now sitting at a $258 million market cap to me is crazy. The market has given us significant discounts on many of these amazing top tier meme coins. But if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we've been making life-changing gains in here the entire bull run. As a lot of you guys know, my Discord is only 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put this in perspective, investing $1,000 into any one of these projects could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Turbo will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.